Hi everyone, today I am on the Gold Coast in Upper Coomera and I've been invited by Alex Phyllis to showcase this incredible estate. And I say estate because the grounds are huge. So I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to start from the outside gardens and work our way in. So let's go and have a look around. Okay, so I thought I would start from this section here because have a look at this beautiful veranda. So it wraps around all the way to the other side. And if you come across here, you've got outdoor dining. And the great thing with this section here is you've got the kitchen just around this corner. So you can open those glass doors and then you have the most incredible city views down that way. And the great thing is you've got city views from upstairs, but also from here, the ground floor. And what do you guys think of this beautiful facade? I love the shingles and you get a beautiful, nice breeze as well. All right, let's go and check out the pool area. Okay, so here is the pool area. My goodness, this area is actually huge. I love that there's a section where you can do your outdoor dining, but there's also a section that's completely undercover. I don't know if you can see just the sheer size of this area. Beautiful vaulted ceiling, but the main thing is the pool house. The pool area has a pool house. There you go, take a peek inside. So there is a kitchenette and a fridge through there. There's also air conditioning, so you can close this off. And around this area, come through, is your fire pit zone. This will definitely be cool. Just put a couple of chairs with friends and hang out here. And then this is probably one of my favorite sections here in the garden area. So come on guys, come through. You walk down the stairs. I just love the privacy of this home. So down the stairs, you've got this beautiful flowers across here. And then straight ahead, I have something special. There is a separate cottage. Now this cottage here has a fireplace, you've got a kitchen, bathroom. So honestly, it could be a granny flat, have your parents here, or you could turn it into an Airbnb. So the choices are endless. And then let's go around the corner. So around the corner from the cottage, you have a full-size tennis court. I love it how there's mountain views around the corner and you actually have this covered area here, so it'll be great to just hang around with friends and you've got shade, which is very important. Now I think it's time to head towards the main house and take a look. So here is the main house. How grand is it? Now whoever moves into this home can definitely make it their own and create something special inside. Now let's go and take a wander around. Now when you walk straight through those doors, you encounter this grand staircase. Definitely a wow factor. It's got huge high ceilings with the void here. Around the corner there is a cellar, but let's go around this way because we'll have a look at the sitting or living area through here. Now around this corner is your sitting area and you've got huge windows just around the corner here and you can see the city from this section too. So before we're out in the garden, so you can see the garden and outdoor area. Let's head over to the kitchen. So this is your kitchen here. You do have the sliding doors that open outside into the garden. We were there before. And this beautiful kitchen. So this is a classic kitchen. To be honest, you can move straight into this home and it's already gorgeous, or you can change it into whatever you want. Around the corner here is your formal dining area. same style windows that wrap around, so you've got garden views, and behind me is the gorgeous pool area. There is access as well actually through here, so you can go straight to the pool. And around here, oh, there's actually a lift. Now that's pretty cool. So a lift that takes you upstairs, and then through here is one of the bathrooms, and my goodness, this is a huge bathroom. So they've got French doors actually. I haven't seen French doors very often in a bathroom, but that's pretty cool. Center shower right in the middle, and then you've also got a bathtub across here. And you know what? This feels very bright and airy because of all the windows. It still feels private, and guys, remember that no one can see into this home. It's very private. The property is huge. There is a separate toilet through there, so you can close the door. And now let's go and check out the bedrooms. Okay, so we're just upstairs now. And actually the first thing that you notice when you walk up is the views, because you've got the veranda that we saw at the start that wraps around all the way around that corner. And then across here is your bar area and a pool table. Love it. So hang around here with friends. Now this opens right up into this incredible veranda, and honestly, for me, this is what's special about this home. You've got a beautiful view overlooking the pool area, and then across this section here is your little outdoor living space, chill out area, and then the veranda wraps all the way around, and then of course you're left with those those pretty special views. And you've got this beautiful breeze up here too. And honestly, when you're standing here, it feels like you're in a world of your own. Very private. Let's go back inside. Now this home has 5 bedrooms, so I won't show them all. I'll be here all day, but I will take you to the main bedroom upstairs. Around the corner is a lift. So this lift is from ground floor to here to your main bedroom. That's pretty cool. And then here you've got a living area. So your second living area with a fireplace. I love that. Beautiful views through here of the city. And honestly, I could see someone completely renovating this home and taking it to the next level because it's got great bones. All right, let's go upstairs and check out the main room. So now we're on the 3rd floor, and the 3rd floor is your main bedroom. This entire floor is your bedroom. Across here is your sitting chill area, and then there's also a balcony. So come through this balcony here. And here you go. How incredible are the views from here? Beautiful. Well, let's go back inside. So back through here. So the bed is just across this section here. And look at the size of this room. I mean, you can do so much. It even comes with a fireplace, so you have a fireplace in your bedroom. Another balcony. This balcony actually overlooks the other side, so the city, got city views. And then through here, this is where your lift is. So if you can't do all those stairs, you've got the lift from the ground floor all the way up to your bedroom, so the level 3. And then across here is your ensuite. It's got a bathtub, a shower around the corner, but beautiful views. And then across, straight across, you have a massive walk-in robe. Oh, you could turn this into the ultimate walk-in robe. And what I love, and you don't find it often actually, it has windows, so it's bright in here. You've got a window just straight ahead and a window just around the corner here. All right, let's go back. So that's it, guys. The tour has come to an end. Thank you so much to Alex for inviting us to take a look around this grand estate. I absolutely loved the grounds. And whoever ends up buying this home, you could do so much with it. It'll be the perfect slice of paradise. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep a lookout for the next tour. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. We're so close.